Welcome to video series 2 about the Papyrus Business Correspondence solution. In this video, we will focus on release management and simulation. The release manager sees that the form and wizard documents produced in the previous videos are still in group development. She has a look at all items in the current release and finally finishes the stage. All elements of the release are promoted into the test stage. She goes ahead and assigns testers. In the test management workplace, a tester has a look at the newly created form. On the left side of the tester's user interface, a list of already executed wizard steps is displayed. The tester simulates the wizard execution and enters data into the current wizard step form, which is used in the final form document. At the conditional step, the tester chooses the optional loan. The form is extended by the credit loan steps and corresponding data fields, and therefore confirms the proper execution of the condition. As he continues to fill out the wizard, he can see the progress in the step view and in the diagram view. The tests were successful, so the tester approves all items. After having voted, the status switches to passed. In the next step, all items are handed over to the supervisor, who has a last check of the wizards and forms before they're finally released into production. He can also view the diagram and check the entire wizard process in detail if needed. The supervisor then promotes the release into production. The release manager sees that all items are now in production. The whole release process is finished. We will continue with reporting in the next video.